So if you have been following my channel, you would know that I brought up a video very recently showing you the king of 4K Starvis 2 dashcams, and I spoke about the VIOFO A329 Pro. Well, here's a new camera, a newly launching camera in India, which is going to unseat the A329 Pro and grab the throne for itself. The new king killer or the dashcam killer is here, the VIOFO A329 series. And the topmost and the best feature of this camera is that this has got dual Starvis 2, but it shoots 4K resolution at not 24, at not 30, but 60 frames per second native 4K resolution. That's simply mind-blowing, and that's just simply terrific. So those who know the importance of having a 60 frame per second dashcam, you already know the kind of difference it brings to the table. But if you have no idea what a 60 FPS video means and why it makes it such an important difference to have a 60 FPS rather than a 30 FPS in a dashcam video, you gotta make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. You gotta make sure that you like this video, because I'll be bringing up a super awesome, a super detailed review video of the VIOFO A329 series, the first video which you're ever going to see in India, the most detailed review ever. And in that video, I'm going to explain all the detailed features of this camera, including why 60 frames per second is so important in a dash camera video. So that's not just the only defining factor of this camera. This camera has a long list of features, the features which I have not seen in any other dash camera and probably will not see it in any other camera for a long time to come. Another amazing and the most unique feature of this camera is that you can connect an external SSD, you can connect a pen drive to this camera and store videos directly on it. So no more storage constraints, no more worrying that the oldest file might get deleted. Your longest journeys of weeks together can get recorded all in an SSD without having to delete any older file. So this has been one major concern for dashcam users, because they tend to lose out the oldest recorded video once the memory card fills up, because this is a natural loop recording feature which is implemented in all dash cameras. The oldest recorded files will automatically get deleted and you might lose out, you might miss out on important video evidence footage. That problem goes away with this camera, because you can connect an external pen drive, you can connect an external SSD up to 4 terabytes of storage and store the videos directly on the SSD for the longest duration of time. That's simply terrific, and I haven't seen this feature in any other dash camera. And as said previously, this is a dual Starvis 2 setup, which means basically you get front Starvis 2 and a rear Starvis 2. You also get a quad HD resolution at the rear, not just the regular 1080p. So this dashcam is just going to blow every other dashcam away, because this is the new king of the 4K Starvis 2 setups. And with the power of 60 FPS, this is going to rule the dashcam market. Stay tuned to Travel Tech. The detailed review video will be dropping soon, along with all the other details, all the other features this new king can offer to you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.